Welcome to our Grower workshop. Today, I will show you how to install the GROHE Zedra Touch kitchen faucet in 5 easy steps. First, let's take a look at the tools you will need. The box contains the faucet with all the connecting parts, as well as the battery. By the way, taking a look at the instructions, which are also included, certainly doesn't hurt. Now we'll start with the installation. It might be necessary to mill a 35mm hole into the worktop. First of all, place the sealing ring over the hoses. Ensure a proper fit according to the assembly instructions. The integrated O-ring on the seal must point in the direction of the faucet. Now guide the hoses through the mounting hole and place the faucet onto the sink or countertop. Then assemble the mounting kit in this order and mount below the sink to ensure a proper fit. Following assembly, make sure that the plastic caps are pushed down as far as they will go. Then tighten the screws manually at first, then tighten very lightly. Now align the faucet and tighten the screws. First of all, guide the hose through the spout. Then mount the hand shower. Now guide the hose through the faucet body and attach the spouts to the faucet body. Now prepare the water connections. Attach the mixing valve to one of the T-pieces. Then connect the cold water connecting hose to the mixing valve. And mount the second T-piece. Connect the T-piece and mixing valve to the hot water service valves. Now attach the remaining T-piece to the cold water connection. Also connect the hot and cold water hoses of the faucet to the T-pieces. Now tighten all screw connections again. Use pliers to secure the flexible hoses against twisting. Done. Next, pre-install the functional unit. First of all, mount the connected T-piece for the pull-out hose. Then insert the white sieve seal and screw on to the connecting hose. Find a suitable place for the functional unit and screw it down. Ensure there is a spacing radius of 11 3/4 inches, which corresponds to the length of the black cable. Then attach the functional unit with the supplied screws. Now connect up the connection hose, functional unit and mixing valve, and tighten. screw the click connection onto the pull-out hose and click it onto the T-piece. Then plug the black cable onto the mounting kit of the fitting. Now ground the yellow cable. If, as in our case, there is no metallic area that is sufficiently large enough, we recommend using aluminium foil, which is shaped into a ball and connected to the earthing cable. Otherwise, the metal sticker is stuck with the earthing cable, for example, under the stainless steel sink. Then install the hose weight. This supports a quick return of the shower hose to the faucet. Now turn on the water supply. Unscrew the battery compartment, insert the battery, and close it again. Now wait 60 seconds while the functional unit performs self-calibration. When the unit stops flashing, the process is complete. You can now test and check for tightness. The temperature of the touch function is set by the mixing valve. Always give the water some time for the temperature differences to become noticeable. If the water pressure of the faucet is too high, the flow reducers can be installed if required. If needed, they are installed here. If the response of the touch function is too sensitive, the sensitivity setting mode can be enabled by pressing the functional unit for 10 seconds. This unit is set to more sensitive or less sensitive by briefly pressing it. There are 5 levels. It is set to level 3 at the factory. Perfect. Now it's time for the handover. Before the job is done, there are still a few things left to check. Job done. That was easy. You will manage it easily too.